morning, everyone. My name is Samantha, and I'm going to be taking you through your wellness portal. Right down here is your trackers tab. Let's start with exercise. So right here, it will take you to this exercise log page. This will be able for you to log different exercises that you do and record the amount of steps, the calories you burn, and all of that. So say, for example, you did some walking today. You can do different things like walking on the job, running, playing with children, carrying small children. So let's do just regular walking, running, moderate effort, and task. And this will show you. This will then pop up how many minutes I was walking. So say I walked for 45 minutes today. So I would log it, and that would add the amount of steps and how many calories you burned that day. You go down, this is the amount of calories that I burned, the distance, and the steps, and then it will add automatically to the minutes, and then you can click here. It shows the steps you've done each day, the calories you've burned each day, and the distance you've walked each day. Right here, if say, for example, I didn't walk, you can delete the activity. And that's basically it for your exercise log. You can actually favorite certain exercises. You can see the recent ones and the most logged. And it's as simple as that. To go to your second type of tracker, it's your nutrition tracker. You click trackers and you go to nutrition. Right here, you can log your food. You can actually say, for example, I ate an apple today. You can put apple and say a raw apple with skin. So I ate one apple and I ate it as a morning snack. So that's why I logged my food. And it shows how many calories I consumed, the fat, the fiber, the carbs, the sodium, the protein, and it all logs this here. Now say, for example, you didn't have that. You can delete it here. And you can do this for any food. You can favorite different foods. You can put the most recent, the most logged, and you can actually create a meal. So here, you go to create a meal. You put in a different meal name. So let's say breakfast. Save. And then you would edit this meal, so you would add different things. So let's do a waffle. Let's do a healthy waffle. Okay, let's do the Kellogg's Eggo Nutri-Grain waffle low fat. I had one serving, and then I added this to the meal. Then let's do some peanut butter on that waffle. Let's do smooth omega-3 creamy peanut butter. And I add it to the meal. And then let's add a banana here. Let's see. I did not eat. I can scroll down and see all the different. Here's banana raw. I add it to the meal, and I close it. So that's my breakfast. And that's how I added my meal. So those meals can be saved, so you can just add it. So if I search breakfast, you can add it. You click on it, you had it for breakfast this morning, and then you can log it. So say, for example, you eat the same breakfast every single day. You can just create the meal really quick. You can log it just like that. So you click on it, You log it, you put what time you ate it, at which meal, and you can log in and add the calories. So you don't have to go in every single day and log the same things over and over again. You can just do quick and easy. And this has added all of your calories, your fats, fiber, your carbohydrates, all that. So that's kind of your trackers in a nutshell here.